Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about NPCI. I think everyone is know about the NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India. As you know, we are doing our Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, etc. by our UPI ID. So that is the same. So NPCI has started a recruitment process, that means off-campus drive of 2021, and the batches that will be eligible are from 2021 to 2016. That means 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So yes, this is a diverse hiring. So that is why it will be going to be a interesting and a high number of candidates will be there. So guys, after this talking about the freshers, yes, definitely your freshers will be eligible, and we will be discussing about your eligibility criteria, and so your salary will be 6.35 LPA. So guys, watch the video till the end to get all the details. So we will be discussing each and everything in detail. And one more thing, if you have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe the channel and press bell icon when there is any notification, so you will get it earlier. So guys, we have started a government private job alert series, in that we on daily basis provide you 2 to 3 government, or you can say private job alerts on daily basis. Yes, daily basis means on daily we provide you. And after that, we have also started preparation strategy for the students. For example, we started with the global edge exam preparation. After that, we started with TCS smart hiring 2021 preparation strategy for the students, and then Infosys. So guys, you can watch the videos if you are preparing for any of the exam in coming, because your questions are going to be almost same, or you can say of same level. I cannot say the same, means your same level. So if I talk about, if you are preparing for TCS NQT, your August or your November session, so definitely TCS Smart Hiring preparation videos are going to be definitely helpful to you guys. So guys, now coming to the topic, so we will be discussing NPCI of Campus Drive 2021. So watch the video till the end. So we will be discussing each and everything. So guys, as you can see on the screen, we are on the official website of NPCI. So let me read out for you the official website also, career.npci.org.in. So guys, you can also search the website, or I'll provide you the link in the description. So do not worry about that. So we will be discussing now your job position. So your position will be graduate engineer trainee. So you can see your experience can be from 0 to 2 years of experience, and they have provided the salary from 4.75 LPA to 5 LPA. So I'll correct this also. I mean, they have provided there. So in our further video, so we will tell about the CTC also. So we have mentioned, as we have mentioned in the thumbnail. So do not worry about that. So you can see the locations also: Mumbai, Hyderabad, Sikandrabad, or Chennai. After that, from there you can apply. So I'll provide the link in the description. So do not worry about that. So now we are talking about your JD. So your job description, or you can say your roles and responsibilities. What are you aspiring to work on emerging technologies and proven digital payment platforms? So they are just giving the general or basic things. After that, you may apply if you are a smart young innovator with digital first mindset, result oriented, go better, DIYs, do it yourself or self driven. After that, can deal with dynamically changing ambiguous situations, research maniac, and ability to evaluate pros and cons. So these are I think these are the basic things only. So I mean, you who can apply these things. After that, the chosen ones will go through specialized training program after joining NPCI. Yes, definitely. I mean, when you will join NPCI, the students who will be selected, so they will have to go specialized training process. So they will let you know after your interview or your selection. After that, talking about your mandatory requirements, so you can see your qualifications will be BE BTech, computer science, EC, that is ECE, electronics and communication, and IT, that is information technology. So these are the three branches in BTech or BE that can apply, and after that MTech can also apply. So we will discuss this thing. So you can see now, so your bachelor's is batch fiscal year 2017 to 21 and 2016 to 20. So your bachelor's, that means batch fiscal year 17 to 21 and fiscal year 16 to 20. Okay guys, so there is a correction. So sorry for that. Your batch eligibility will be 2020 and 2021 only. So after that, talking about the eligibility, so your 10th standard 75%, 12th standard 65%, and your BTech 60%, and MTech 60%. So that means your MTech is also available. So that means those who are masters, so they can also apply with having 60% of graduation percentage. After that, talking about your experience. So your experience must be 0 to 2 years. Location, I think we have discussed it earlier. Yes, definitely we have discussed it here. So your locations are Hyderabad, Mumbai and Chennai. After that, what are the required skills? So you can see knowledge in operating system Linux, TCP, transfer control protocol or internet protocol or routing protocol, switches, firewalls, load balancer and VLAN. After that, ability to design, develop software, Java, Python is preferred. That means Java or Python are preferred. After that, knowledge of data models, Spark, Spark SQL, PySpark and Hive programming. You can read out these things. These are the basic things, your required skills. So I think these are the, yes, definitely these are basic things like basic knowledge in fundamental of cloud computing, virtualization and OpenStack. So after that, talking about your applicant must have good understanding of below skill set. So you can see algorithms, you must have a good understanding Java, Python, ML, machine learning and Linux operating system, so Linux OS. After that, at least one of the blockchain framework such as Hyperledger Fabric, R3 Corda, Ethereum fundamentals of cloud computing and cloud infrastructure, mainly OpenStack. So these are the things. Looking forward to meet you in NPCI Drive Recruitment 2021. So this is the drive of dedicated NPCI. So you can apply it as soon as possible. So I request you, do not wait for the last date, whatever it will be. So whenever you watch the video, so go and apply it on spot. After that, you can see perks and benefits as we told you earlier. So 5 lakh is your fixed and TCTC is your 6.35 LPA. After that, talking about your key skills, so you can see Java, algorithm, Python, blockchain, freshers, open source and data analytics. So I have shown you this display. Why? Because there is a mention of post graduation, but initially they did not mention about PG courses. So that is why. So you can see here your qualification. So there is a, they haven't mentioned about the masters. So now you can see your masters can also apply any post graduation in any specialization. That means if you are BTech and any postgraduate, so that you can apply. So directorate, so this is not required at all. So you can see after the company profile, as I told you earlier, this is a payment method like RuPay, debit card, credit card, UPI payment. So these are the things. So you can check it out. So after that, so from where to apply, so I'll tell you from when you will click there, so you will get a open window and after that you can apply it. So guys, this is one of the good jobs. So I suggest you apply on the spot whenever you watch the video. So all the best. Till then, we will come with another video. So we will meet in another video. So all the best and Jai Hind.